Are you tired of feeling awkward speaking English in the office? Are you tired of sitting down in team meetings and not being able to communicate, not being able to add your opinion, and not being able to communicate clearly with your team? Are you frustrated with your presentation skills that you'd like to be able to present confidently and feel like you're in a TED Talk and be able to provide the best information for your clients and for your team? Then these business English classes are designed just for you. They're built around the neurofluency system, which allows you to be able to develop high quality speaking tactics and allow you to be able to speak English comfortably and confidently in no time. So, what do you do in these classes? I've designed a neurofluency technique that allows you to be able to speak confidently and be able to speak English like a native as soon as possible. So within the next 6 months, you're going to be developing the skills that you need to be able to speak English confidently and clearly like a native. To get to fluency, it takes work, it takes effort, but you're in a group where you can have accountability, a system to follow, and the scientific backing of this neurofluency system, which allows you to speak English as quick as possible. You'll be given an advanced flashcard system that allows you to reinforce so that you don't forget the English that you're learning. So once you've been able to master the system, you've been a part of these classes for at least 6 months, you're going to be able to communicate confidently, clearly, and effectively in English. These business English classes are designed to help you with team meetings, presentations, being able to communicate confidently and comfortably in English as soon as possible. With these skills, with these classes, you'll be able to join a small group of people and do work on English speaking practice without the boring grammar exercises, reading through textbooks, and all the traveling in between classes. These classes are online, they're small groups, and they're designed to help you be able to speak English as quickly as possible. So if you're interested in improving your business English communication because right now you still feel awkward and you don't quite have that confidence, then I would encourage you to join up for these classes. These classes are going to be held once a week where you're going to get all the information on how you can do your best presentations, lead team meetings, and be able to develop the communication skills that are necessary for you to be successful in your career. It's really important that in your English speaking practice that you actually speak as often as possible. It's scientifically proven that understanding and speaking are two different parts of the brain, and being able to understand that you need to practice speaking English as like a muscle so you can develop the skills appropriate to your career. So if you've been sick of spending money on classes and learning English for many years without developing the skill of speaking, which really is your biggest tool, biggest weapon in your advancement of your career, then these communication skills classes, improving your business English, are just for you. So if you're interested in that, sign up below and we'll get started.